my shell! Hi everyone, my name is Emery Jackman. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to talk about scrubbing your skin, getting ready for summer with this new Oh My Shell Perfectly Posh Snarky bar from the new Mermaid line. Now stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see how to get your very own I washed up like this virtual catalog of all the Mermaid Posh for summer 2018. Now, if you've never used a Snarky bar, let me tell you a little bit about what it is. So there are a bunch of different flavors with different scents and different, the ingredients are a little different in each one, but they all have super scrubby beads in them. And these beads are safe for our ocean and our world, so don't worry about that. Perfectly Posh is naturally based, good for the environment, cruelty-free. So these bars are super scrubby, and I like to use them on the heels of my feet and get my feet sandal ready. And what's unique about these bars is the shea butter that's in here is moisturizing at the same time as you're scrubbing. So you will see a huge difference, especially on the heels of your feet or anywhere on your body where you have like super hard, dry, rough skin. Sometimes hard workers will get like rough skin right here on their hands, and the Snarky bars are great for scrubbing that, or on your knees or your elbows. Just choose the thicker skin parts. You don't want to use this guy on your face. It's like sandpaper. Now this is the new Oh My Shell. Perfectly Posh has fun names, and this mermaid line is to die for. It would be like such a cute gift to put a few mermaid products together in a gift basket for a friend. So I'm gonna open this up. I haven't even smelled this one yet. So this says seaweed, citrus, and melon scent. Ooh, it's so yummy. It's green. You can kind of see the scrubbing beads in there. I can smell the melon and the citrus. Oh yes, this is a yummy summer smell. Oh, I can't wait to use this. And my feet, the heels of my feet, I use a piece of this bar. I'll show you how I cut it here in just a second. But when I get my Snarky bar, I open it up like this. Make sure I like the scent. And then I use a piece on the heels of my feet, maybe every other day or so in the shower. And it will get your heels of your feet just baby but soft and smooth. And you look good in those sandals, and it also feels good to have those smooth feet. So in this next clip here, I'm going to show you exactly how I use my Snarky bar on the heels of my feet. A piece of my Snarky bar and the heel of my foot. And you just scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, my dears, now I'm going to show you how I cut up my Snarky bar. You can definitely use the whole thing if you want to, but I like to cut it into pieces because it lasts a really long time that way. I like to use about this size here, and you don't need to warm it up or anything. It is soft enough to just slice like that. And this is the size I like to use. I get about 4 or 5 chunks out of my Snarky bar. Where do you get one, you ask? Head on over to emeryposh.com, grab yourself a few of these Oh My Shell Snarky bars. And as promised, here is your link to a I Washed Up Like This Mermaid Posh virtual catalog. Go in the description box down below, and under the first paragraph, you'll see a link to see this catalog right online. And make sure you check out all of the mermaid collection because it's so super fun. The packaging is great. The ingredients are phenomenal, and everything is $25 and under. Amazing price point. Posh is affordable luxury. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any other Emery Posh, Mermaid Posh videos. Have a great day. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Bye.